Okay, this is on the bird job. Number 52734. We are adding 3 heat vents and a return air in this basement. So, I'll give you an idea. Furnace right here. Okay, this is one room. It's going to build a wall here. This will be another room. So, I marked on the ceiling because he's going to sheetrock what he can. So you're going to run in this space here and put a 4x10 register end boot right there. So knock out that header, cut a round hole in that one, and you're going to have to knock out that header on top of the duct as well.
That's on the south side of the house.
So we are also going to put, where that X is, a heat vent, 6-inch run. This pipe here is just a dummy pipe, so get rid of it. But then you're gonna bring your grill over, and I marked on the ceiling. And just put an end boot here, but I'll give you a register that you can point the air more that way, an adjustable register. Okay, over here in the corner, or not in the corner, but so I've got a pipe here, so I gave you a 6-inch side takeoff right there. And we're gonna put that there, and 45 up, 45 over, and put a 4x10 angle boot over here. Okay. On the return air, we're gonna put a 30x8 baseboard grill low. And so on this side, there's not much room, but I gave you 5 feet of panning. You're going to pan this wall. And I gave you made a duct, so you're going to cut out this on the return air side and just make a transition from there to the wall. And then just put some ductboard headers on top. I told him we can probably do this with this sheetrock here. He said if you have to, if you can't get it, he can remove the sheetrock. But I think we can reach in there and cut that. Okay, that's about it. Thanks.